G'day, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another MGUY EV Quickie. In this one we're going to look at the terrible effects that the EV mandate in the UK has had on the local auto manufacturing industry. Obviously, as I've said in previous videos, the auto manufacturers just have no idea what to do because their customers want combustion cars and yet the government is forcing them to make EVs that nobody wants. And the result of this is that the auto industry in the UK is collapsing in a heap, as the article says. UK car manufacturing hits lowest point in 72 years. Excluding COVID hit 2020, the first half of 2025 was the worst for UK car factories since 1953. The output of UK vehicle manufacturing has reached its nadir after posting the worst start to a regular year since 1953. Only in the COVID year of 2020 were fewer vehicles produced than the 417,000 in the first half of 2025, according to the latest figures from the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, SMMT. Speaking at a briefing to announce the figures, SMMT Chief Executive Mike Hawes said factors such as tariffs from the key export market of the US, the closure of Stellantis Luton van factory, and changeovers for crucial UK-made models meant that the general view is that this is the real bottom of where we should be. He added this has been one of the most turbulent periods in the history of the UK automotive industry. This year hasn't been as bad as COVID, but it's the worst first half of a year since 1953. Well, the article doesn't go into how much EVs have affected this, but my view is that this is a clear sign of the fact that automakers are struggling to know where to go and what to do. Their customers want regular combustion cars, but they're not allowed to build them. And because of that lack of demand, a lot of vehicle manufacturing plants are closing, and that means that they're making fewer cars than in the last 72 years. It's quite astonishing. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.